Hi there, hello my kiddos, it's Real here, your pink-haired girl, Rabbit Lucy. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are here for the first time. Don't forget subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get alert every time I post new video. And yes, I am back! It's a long time since I filmed new video for my YouTube, not only for my OnlyFans, but we are here because I got package from FASHIONNOVA. Yes, the world goes crazy and the energy crisis hits me too, and that was the moment I said, let's spend some money on unnecessary items and let's fuck this up even more. Yeah, let's not save the money, but it was really hard to resist because I got another shiny items. Yes, I put another shiny vinyl things into my basket and this is the result. I spent around 3,000 Czech crowns, which is like 100, I guess 10-20 euros, something between, yeah, 115 maybe, but yeah, this is the result. So it's unopened, it arrived today, so this is brand new package, so let's open it. If I remember correctly, I put like 5 items. I think I choose like 2 outfits and 1 like accessory. Oh, this is pretty brown, like mocha. It's a skirt, but I think it will be a little bit short on me. It's really mini. And you know I'm tall girl with long legs, so I'm not sure if this will be okay to wear, but we will see. Let's try it. It's size large, boot camp skirt, color canal. Let's find the second item to complete the outfit. Yes, it's this small package. It's with the like bra top. The caps for the bra are quite flat, so that's even I don't have extra big titties, but I still have something. I'm a little bit worried that this cap will be really small and I will be overfloating. But yeah, this is the same color, or no, it's not the same, but it looks like it's the same color, but this one is named mocha, so that's why I had in my mind the mocha. And this is the Luxe Moment latex corset, but this is definitely not the real latex, it's the vinyl. As you can see, it's not latex. But hey, let's put it on. This is it. This is the first outfit. Is it the most comfortable? No, it's a little bit too tight around my waist, so I probably could go one size up, but it fits. It covers my bum, so it's not that short, but at the same time it's too short for me, for my personal preference. So yeah, I like it a little bit longer because of my thick thighs, and I know this will be rolling up as crazy as I will walk in it. The top is a size small. It fits around the chest perfectly. I still have room to breathe, but the cuts are a little bit on the small size. Yeah, because this top is really size small, so it doesn't fit properly, but it kinda works. I'm not mad about it. So this is two separate items, but the color is really the same, so they match. So that's why I choose them together. So this is it. This is how I look at it. I'm not mad about it. It's not bad, but I know it will not be my favorite from this batch. Next item. Oh yeah, that's the I allowed to myself to buy one funky color, and I bought this green jumpsuit. Oh, the smell, this smells terrible. The mocha or the brown set doesn't smell at all, but this, I don't know, it's like old fish. I have yeah, the memories. This is the smell of the vinyl items from Wish. So yeah, this is the same weird chemical, like almost like old fish smell. Okay, it sticks together. I guess we will see how it looks on the body, because right now it's nonsense. It's a green catsuit, Lorena latex jumpsuit, size L, color lime, but it's definitely, again, not the latex, it's vinyl. The labeling on the FASHIONNOVA is often misleading. Even they have real latex on their e-shop, but this is not one of them. If you check the material, it says it's a polyester and elastan, so that's the clue that this will not be latex. That's why I know this will be vinyl.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, this one was definitely a nightmare to put on. And I don't think it fits me properly.
Stop it. Get some help.
And it was hard to get the cross over my head. But I think I did something wrong. Okay, let me check the picture, because I don't think this situation is the right. Well, no wonder that I had such a hard time to put the catsuit on when I did it wrongly. In the wrong way. The cross is on the front, not on the back. The back is really simple, just straight straps. The funky part is on the front. I don't have the biggest chest, and this is size large, and it's cutting my chest into the parts. Like, see, I'm overflowing in the middle. Okay, I rearranged the chest a little bit. If I separate them a little bit more to the sides. It's better, but still giving me the poop muffin. Yeah, see, it's not smooth. Maybe I will cut that catsuit into the two halves, like the trousers with the top. It's maybe because it has short torso. Maybe if the straps would be a little bit longer, it will not be that much cutting into the boobs. Okay, I stretched the torso a little bit more up. I feel the tension around the crotch now, but the chest area is really better. It's a little bit loose, it's not that cutting in. So yeah, but from the back you can see how stretched, how tight the torso is according to the length. I think the best solution will be to cut it into the two halves and wear that like trousers and top instead of a catsuit, because yeah, I really feel the tension on the torso and I'm worried that it will rip pretty soon. And what do you think? Does the green suit me? Should I wear more of this color? It's another item, so I was wrong. I thought I bought only 2 outfits and accessory, but I bought 3 outfits, so my bad. Oh yeah, that's the visor, that's the like mask, and I bought it in a color mocha or the brown. This is it. Yeah, is it the same as I have from Wish already? I have like the silver metallic one, and I thought this will be perfect maybe from Tali if I choose to cosplay her or costume her. I'm not the cosplayer, so I retract that. Costume her. So this is it. I don't have anything much to say. It has jelly soft bridge, and yeah, that's it. It's just plastic goggles, plastic visor. The last item, the last package. Okay, there's the return label. This is the most expensive thing from the package. So I'm excited to unpack that because this is beautiful. See this color. Okay, I really hope this will fit me because this is amazing. Oh my gosh, see. Oh, this is, oh, I have no words. The color is everything. It's the set of pants and top. The top is similar as the mocha. It's the like crop top bra or something like that. This one doesn't have the cups, so this is just over boobs. My God, it looks big enough. I choose to size large because according to the sizing chart of Fashion Nova. I am size large. So, really hope probably the top will be loose on me. I guess I will need to put this top under the sewing machine, but I'm excited. Okay, let's put it on, let's put it on. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yes! This is my favorite. This is the reason why I did the order from Fashion Nova. This is the most expensive item from today's haul. The top is bigger. It could be tighter around the chest, but it's not that bad. It has like corset boning, the plastic one, so it stays in the shape. I don't feel the chest area, so I'm wearing the bra underneath to help me support my ladies, because this top doesn't keep them on the place. So that's why I choose to wear bralette underneath, so I can wear it like this without any issue. But just for my personal feeling, I like it a little bit tighter under the boobs, just for the support for the boobs. So yeah, this is the back. I was a little bit worried about this front and back. Oh no! That's what I was worried about. See? Fuck. Every time when I have trousers with this fancy front seam on the legs, it will rip, especially around my knees, because this is the place with the most tension. And it already happened under my butt. I sit down and this is the result of that. Holy crap! But it's not that hard to fix on the sewing machine, so it's not a big deal. But it's really annoying because this happens to me every time. Not the biggest fan of the front seam, but I'm obsessed with the color. Yeah, this is definitely number one from this haul. This is my favorite. So, well, that's it. That's the haul. I hope you like it. Let me know which item from my purchase is your favorite. I know mine, but I'm interested into your opinions. So let me know which one do you prefer. And as you can see, I sticked with the purple one. It's really nice color. And I'm obsessed with the metallic finish, metallic surface. So yeah. So this is the end. This is the end. And yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below. And I see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.